Hello everybody, welcome to the first ceiling fan destruction video I will be doing. The backstory of why I'm destroying this, I'd like to keep this. This is the fan that used to be in my bedroom before I replaced it with the Delta One. And so it's a fine fan, but when I went to test it, I wired it up with the cord over there. I'll show you exactly what happened. See that, how it's black? That is because it burnt. So what happened was, I plugged it in and it sounded like those fireworks on 4th of July that like explode and then sizzle. And it started sparking and smoking. So I would love to destroy it on powered, but I can't. So let's go. That came off pretty easily. Break these blade brackets. They aren't breaking though. I can get a sledgehammer, but I should have done that before I started recording. Piece of junk. Very nice. Oh, this finally broke. Piece of shit. Capacitor's still on. Pretty sure this thing's a builder's best, not a classic style. Don't think classic styles are this cheap. This thing's dated November of 2009, and it doesn't have the Harbor Breeze logo on it, only on the top canopy. grab the sledgehammer, fix this thing off. Don't hate me for destroying this. This thing wanted to die. God damn. Let's hit it from the top. This thing is practically dead. Oh god, fucking shit. Yeah, fuck this. Piece of shit. Ooh, very nice. To the trash we go. That's it.